Hello everyone, welcome to our next video. In this video, we'll see introduction to payroll. So our object and focus area: what is payroll, term of payroll, and abbreviation of payroll and deduction. What is payroll? Payroll can be defined as the process of a paying by employer to their employees. In this include collecting their list of employees whom to be paid, tracking their hours, calculate their employee salary, distribution salary on time, and payroll expense. Next is payroll term. So first payroll term is gross salary. Gross salary is a monthly or early salary which employer paid to their employee before the deduction of TDS. For example, if the Ravi gross salary is 60,000, in that the basic salary is 24,000 along with their other allowance like DA, HRA, conveyance, etc. Next payroll term is net salary. So what is net salary? Employer paid the salary to employee after the deduction. So employee received the salary after the deduction is called net salary or in-hand salary. For example, if Ravi gets 16,000, in that the basic salary is 24,000, HRA is 9,600, conveyance is 1,600, other allowance 24,800. And this is the gross salary. In this gross salary, we deduct some deduction like PF, just like 1,800 is PF for Ravi, PT is 200, and tax means TDS 2,000, which we deduct, and after that deduction, Ravi is getting like 56,000 in hand salary or net pay. So calculation of net pay is gross salary minus deduction equals to net salary. Another payroll term is overtime. So overtime what is? Overtime is when employee work useful than working hour, then extra amount we paid, employer paid to the employees for their extra hour work. Another payroll term, fixed pay. So fixed pay is a guaranteed salary that employee gets on a monthly basis. Fixed pay we define as a basic salary, DA, HRA, etc. Payroll, variable pay. So variable pay is a pay which company pays as the work of allowance. Like if someone working as a salesman, if someone sells their product, then on the product, whatever amount they sell, company pays some commission on that. So that is a variable pay. So commission or traveling, there is some traveling expense included for workplace or for working for going to another place. So that is a variable pay. Basic salary, which basic income of the employees, around 40% of their total salary, is called basic salary. HRA, it is a salary which paid by the company for the house rent of the employees. Another payroll term is DRS allowance. So DRS allowance, DA, is paid by the government employee, paid to a government employees, not for private employees. Now another payment term is conveyance allowance. So conveyance allowance is allowance which employer paid to employees for the traveling from work to home and vice versa. And the exemption of the conveyance allowance is 1,600 per month from the tax and 19,200 per year. It is taxed. Now come to the next payroll term, bonus. Bonus which company paid to their employee as when the company perform good, there is a profitable in a company. So company perform pay their employees as a bonus, or also we get a bonus in a festive season like Diwali, Holi, etc. We get some bonus, and also sometimes some company pay to the employee when they join their company. They also get a bonus at the joining. We call that joining bonus. Now come to the next payroll term, CTC, cost of a company. CTC, what is CTC? The CTC is a salary which offered to employee at the time of the joining of the employees. It is given the very detailed breakup of the salary. Now come to the next point, that is abbreviation of pay. So DA we call DLS allowance, HRA full form is house rent allowance, CTC cost of company, OT means overtime, LTA leave travel allowance, PF provident fund, PT is a professional tax, LWF labor welfare fund, and TDS is a tax deducted at source. Now come to into the point of deduction. So first deduction point is tax deductible at source, means TDS. TDS is an amount which deducted by the employer on the behalf of the income tax department, and after the deducting the TDS, it is deposited into by the company to the income tax department. So for reduce the TDS, employee need to be invest in a tax saving schemes and submit the investment proof to their employer. Now come to the next deduction point is professional tax, means PT. Professional tax is a salary. It is for individual including salary or professional like CA. We take a professional advice from CA or any another professional advice. So it is come deduct from the salary or professional. It is 200 rupees per month we deduct from our income and deposit into the government. Now come to the next deduction is employee provident fund. It is also part of our deduction. In this component, the 12% of the employer basic salary, okay, employee basic salary, 12% of your basic salary is deducted and deposit into the provident fund account, and that this contribution is tax exempted. So I hope you have understand the what is payroll, deduction parts, payroll terms, and abbreviation of payroll. Thank you so much. If you have any question or you want to reach us, then email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you.